making a chicken cordon bleu sandwich on brioche with a Dijon mayo. And today I have just my chicken breast, flour, egg, panko breadcrumb with a little bit of Parmesan cheese mixed into it. Here's my brioche roll, fresh spinach. I have a slice of Swiss cheese and ham, and then the Dijon mayo like I said. First, we are going to bread our chicken breast. Normally I would have this pounded out so it's nice and tender and cooks evenly. So first you take, one hand's always dry, one's wet. So I'm going to take my wet hand and drop it into my flour. Take my dry hand, kind of press it down so it gets coated equally. And then with your dry hand, pull it out of the flour, drop in your egg. And then with your other wet hand, you flip it over and make sure you're coating your flour. You want to make sure the flour is soaking up all the egg. And then transfer it over to your panko. Be sure not to put your wet hand into your panko breadcrumbs. And then just press. Make sure you have plenty of breadcrumbs on it. Then I like to top a little bit on top. And that's how you bread your chicken breast. And now I just have to transfer this to the fry. Okay, I have my pounded out chicken breast. It's completely breaded, both sides. Nice and thin, so it'll cook evenly. I'm just gonna drop it in the fryer. And since I pounded it out, it's only gonna take maybe a few minutes to cook. And then when it's done, we're gonna let it rest and get the grease off of it before we put it on the grill. Okay, now I'm going to assemble my chicken with ham and Swiss and put it on the flat top, let the cheese melt. That's literally it. It's not much to it. I'm going to take it over to the flat top. Put it on here. And put a lid on it. And come back in a couple minutes and see if it's melted. Okay, we're back. I'm going to assemble the sandwich now. I have my Dijon mayo dressing here. I'm just going to add a teaspoon to the top and bottom of it. Okay, and then I like to put the spinach on the bottom. I think it just looks better, and then it doesn't fall apart when you go to eat it. And then our chicken breast right on top. And that's it. Okay, be sure to look out for this new item. Try to go with potato chips. I think it would complement it well.